What's good, YouTube? It's your boy FxmousZion back with another video. And in this video, y'all, we're going to be modifying my interior because y'all know the 2014, 2013, 2010, 2011, 2012. The interiors are butt. I mean, this is not ugly because it's already carbon fiber, but like, why would I have this carbon fiber and then I got forged carbon on the steering wheel? So I went ahead and went to DYNAperformance.com and bought me, you got the alcohol? I went ahead to DYNA Performance and bought me some forged carbon, and I used the code fall 2025 and they gave me 25% off. So all this together was about, it wasn't expensive. It was $400, $300. It was one or the other, but I'm using Afterpay, so it really don't matter. I know y'all tired of me getting in the camera like that, but excuse my language. Excuse my hair. I just woke up. Yeah, that. So he got alcohol for me. Before y'all even start putting this stuff on your car, clean it all. Make sure there's no dust because the shit will come off. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You good, bro. I don't want you to be outside while it's wet. But got the alcohol. Woo, that shit smell like ass. It smells like ass. But so, let me show y'all what I got, how I'm doing this first. Rag, alcohol, wipe clean. After I wipe it clean, I will be doing the adhesive promoter over that stuff, over all that, just so it can stick longer and it won't fall off. I do want to say, before we get into this video, can y'all please like, comment, and subscribe? Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what else y'all want to see me get for the car. Like, should I get the carbon fiber door handles? All that carbon fiber stuff. Something that this needs to be changed regardless. I don't know if I want a red or black. The carbon fiber piece for this, because I did not grab that piece. Me, being me, thought that came with everything. Because why is it $400 if it doesn't have all the pieces? That shit did not have all the pieces. I know. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, y'all might call me stupid, but I'm going ahead and like do this part up here first. And the reason I'm doing it first is because it's the easiest to get to. I just want to make sure all the, oh, that shit's dirty. I want to make sure everything's wiped off perfectly fine. I'm like hearing footsteps. Am I tripping? Oh, there's people walking. Okay. But get all over here, y'all. Everything. Y'all need everything. I wish I had a fucking, like, somebody who can record, because this shit's ridiculous. But you see, I got it all. There's no dust. Make sure there's no dust. You see that? Oh, there is dust. Fuck it. I don't give a crap. And then we get this piece. Make sure you put this, squeegee it over there before you put the piece on. But honestly, I think I'm gonna do this first. This seems easier. So I know I just cleaned that off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Y'all don't gotta see that. All right, y'all. Don't use that fucking adhesive. Don't use this shit. Don't use this shit.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
That shit made my hands so sticky. I kind of messed up on the thing, and you know how hard it is for this bitch to come off. I just gotta deal with it. This shit, gotta push it up a little bit. Cause it's like, it's more down over here. I wanna take it off, but that shit's sticky. But like, look at it. It really looked like it matched the steering wheel. That's what I like the Fords for. Well, we got to get done. I don't think I'm using that adhesive shit on there. Fuck no. We're gonna stick to the regular shit. That shit was hard. Fuck no. I really wish y'all could watch me do this because honestly, I'm struggling. Y'all probably like, that look good. That look good. It looked good, but like, it could be better. All that down there, like, oh, fuck, I wish I could start over. But that adhesive shit, bro, that shit made my fingers sticky. Basically, I want it to look like, I want it to See, you gotta pull that bitch up. I want it to, like, you gotta pull it down. Like, you don't want it to be too high up. You want it to, like, blend in with that. Fuck, I just saw a ghost. Oh, hell. Pull it slowly and then bring it down. Because once it sticks, it's stuck. You know, like, I could have did better right there. Fuck, I could have did better. It's not going to irk me. But, boy, that's the finished product of this. Let me show you the light on. Like, honestly, that shit go crazy. It go good. Oh, fuck. That's going to piss me off, y'all. I might have to pick this shit up and start over. This, good. This little piece right here is going to irk me to death. That corner's good. Down there, nobody can really see. This right here, though, it's going to fucking piss me off. I did not know this came on. This shit a battery waster. What the fuck? All right, y'all. Let's get to the harder parts. Fuck, I'm scared. Let me turn it down. All right, y'all. I think I'm done, bro. My fucking fingers, it got that super glue adhesive shit on it. Man, bro. I don't want to do this shit no more. No, I'm just playing. I just wanted to show y'all before I got finished. I'm going to miss this badge. Should I just keep it like this? Or should I cut out me a piece? And it'll go with the steering wheel. That shit's sexy. But coming together real good. So let's get this damn job finished so I can get out of this hot ass car. Yes, I do have automatic, but the interior is peak. I'm feeling it. All right, y'all. It's taking me a little bit of time to get finished this last little part because I was over here just trying to figure out where the hell this little piece go. But I'm guessing it goes here, right? Right there, opposite way. But if they got a piece for this piece, where's this piece? Why is there no piece for that piece right there? Now I'm just lost. I'm fucking lost. And I want to know, how do I take this out? Somebody let me know down below. But the whole car's coming together. I need a new fucking light bulb. That shit going out. I don't know. That shit going out. But what y'all think? Comment down below what y'all think. I know for sure I messed up on this, but it's not going to irk me because I won't notice it unless I sit there and fucking look. But these up here, I did my big one. I'm gonna show y'all the little process I got going on. So I start at the bottom because it's easier to start right here. And then I'll just pull or peel and attach. Now, you can use this shit to make it really sticky, but it's harder on you, especially if you don't got gloves. Like, this shit is all on my hands. I don't know if y'all notice it, but like, my hand's a little bit more shiny. Look who just pulled up. But just do this part, pull, just pull and stick. Pull and stick. That's all you gotta do. I'll hit y'all back when I'm done, y'all. Alright, y'all. So my phone flash isn't working right now and it's kind of getting dark. But I did finish every little part. I really want to go back and redo this shit. This right here is what's killing me. I did great everywhere else. And then there's that. This shit fucking killing me. But everything's going now. It's all good. I know y'all might call me corny, but I do think I don't really care about select shift. So I'm gonna switch this into like a red knob, like the automatic red knob. And it's gonna take away my select shift, but I'm gonna have this dealership install paddle shifters. So I think that's gonna go crazy. And then red seatbelts to top it all off. I appreciate y'all for sticking to the end of the video. So if you did stick to the end of the video, comment down below. All right, y'all. So this is the finishing touches of the dash I did with the forged carbon fiber. Like I told y'all yesterday, I think I did really good up here, especially. It's just when it comes to the screen, I fucked up a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I fucked up, man. I wish I would have did better, but like some of this shit's coming up as we speak. I don't know what I did wrong. I need to take it off and push it to the side a little bit more, because as y'all can see, this right here, it's not really noticeable. Like I did not notice that when I got in the car, bro. Like when you look real hard, can't you like notice it? It's just gonna piss me off later on. But I think I fuck with it. What you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said yeah. So that means something. Air to fuel ratio 14. It's time to go get some gas though. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. My gas is horrible. But let's get it. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This video was short, but the next video I'll make a little bit longer. I don't know what I'm doing next. I think I might install a GT500 spoiler. I might show y'all me going to South Carolina, going to get it, and then installing it on my car. If y'all want to see that, let me know down below. Let me know what you want to see, and let me know how you want to see it, and let me know when you want to see it. Because y'all didn't hold me accountable. That's why I took a whole month off. But now I'm posting back to back. Back to back. Stay tuned for the next video. Let's get it.